Hello, traders. Welcome to the E-Mini Thunderdome. Today is November 11th, 2022. If you're new to this channel, I record my live account trades that I take, and then I upload them to help people learn, improve in their trading. But this recording, the full recording, the recap, has no sound. And the reason is that I knew it was going to be a tough day and I needed laser focus. I didn't want to deal with having to explain what I'm doing, this and that. I just needed to focus and not narrate at all. And the backstory on this, that I knew was going to be a tough day because, well, let's go over here real quick. Let's start. All right, let's start. So, it all started on Monday. So Sunday night, Monday, I started to look at the daily. And even on my pre-market that I did on Monday, I said, look, guys, I think we are done on the downside. Either the market is going to go and pass 3,900 or it's going to go all the way down and pass 36.55. But I think we are done. And that's exactly what happened. Market went and passed it. So there was a report yesterday. I didn't trade, but I gave a few family members the target of 39.66. I was pretty sure it was going to go there, and I think it closed at 39.72. But I was not, I didn't want to trade. I didn't want to risk it. I had 3 amazing prior days. I didn't want to risk it. You know, you don't have to trade every day. If you don't feel it, don't trade. And then today, I looked at in the morning, I looked at the overnight. I was looking at the market yesterday. I knew the market was still trending. It was going to trend. But there was also a report. So I said, I'm not going to look for trades until the report comes out. I wasn't expecting a big move, but I knew that it could do something. Let's get on that one. Let's see. Where's that chart? Where is it? Hold on. So I was not in a hurry to get up. I believe I started looking at the market at 6:30. All right, here we go. So I knew the report was coming out. It came out, and whoa, big old candle wick down. Soon as I saw this, but then I also saw this structure here, and I said, okay, don't think the market is gonna revisit this. We are inside of a whole bunch of targets that needs port structures that need to get filled. I think the market is going up. And I think a 704, 705, I take along at 68. And the market pulls back a little bit and then it starts to go and scream up. And it hits the last of my targets right here. And I'm like, yeah, okay. And I knew the market was going to go above 4,000. We already talked about why. So I stayed on my trade, but I failed. I can be completely transparent. I failed to look at the clock. It hit my 90 target, and it was the end of IB. I should have cleared. I should have cleared either at 90 or scaled some out at 90, because I was like, I think I started with 1, then I kept on adding. I think by the time I was at 90, I think I'd either 3 or 4 ES and either 15 or 20 MES. And I failed to clear, and the market starts to pull back, and then I go, oh my God. Then, you know, I start, oh, okay, the IB stat is on, and market goes for another, and I thought this was momentum, and again I didn't clear, and then the market just started to come down, and I was in a long bias, and I knew the market was going to go long, and I didn't want to give it up. I didn't want to give it up. I didn't want to get up, and boom. Eventually, I think I was about, 3,000 or almost 3,000 negative on the ES, and about either 1,800 or 2,300 negative on the MES. And I think it took me out here. I think it was here. I haven't watched the video, but I think it was here. Was it there? Yeah, it was here. And immediately, you know, this all happened milliseconds. I immediately said, well, either you're going to end your day or you're going to have to make this back. And as you see, I have my Brazil jacket on. Next week, the World Cup starts. I'm already planning on not trading a whole bunch while the World Cup is on. I like to go and watch other countries also. To me, it's like the stock market. You need to go and watch the major countries to see how, you know, one is comparing to the other. It's just like the stock market. I gotta watch. I gotta know everything. I get into it. So I said, well, if I go long here, I'm gonna have to, I'll be making my money back, and I have to get all the way up to pass 39.80, 39.80. I mean 39.90, 39.80. I'll start to be green, or I'll start to scalp. I'll start to make my money back scalping, and then I'll be positive again, and then I can take that whole swing up because I know it's going above 4,000. So I started to scalp. I believe it was here. So I went up and down, up and down, up and down, and then eventually I said it's going long, and I went long with it. And it was a beauty. I kept on scaling, kept on adding and scaling out, adding and scaling out, and didn't make as much as I could have. I scaled out at the end too much instead of just holding on to one solid target. But still, overall, the third best day I've had all year. Incredible. And even on the full streaming, or on the streaming, on the, not streaming, recording, you'll see that I write it could all be over at 39.10. And the high is 40.10. The high is 4,009.75. I missed it by one tick. Yeah, so this is just going to be pure entertainment. I'm not trying to brag, but I think it was an awesome day, especially my scalping. So I just hope you enjoyed it as entertainment. It has nothing to do with my P&L. And I'm just super proud of myself, and I just want to share because, you know, I don't like to scalp, but when I have to, laser, let's make my money back. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys were green yesterday. Well, I hope you didn't trade, but if you did, you're green. And then today, I hope you're green. I did post the targets. I did say that long target was 4,002.75. I posted that, so I gave everybody heads up. I didn't try to be selfish. I tried to help people, but I was not going to go and say where I was long because I knew it was going to be a tough day and I didn't want to be responsible. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.
you.